Hi guys, so let's start it finding a pattern you like.
Today we are making a
I like to use this Google extension to take an image from the final results. It's very easy to use. After you find the pattern that you want to save, you can create a new page. Add a title, select the status and the difficult level, copy and paste the source link, and here you can select a template to help you with the pattern. If you want to make some notes or check the list of materials. And it's done. Now you can keep organized every amigurumi that you want to make. And that's it. Bye!